Good morning, children. Joyadash here. Today we will do exercise 11.3 from algebra. From this exercise, we will do question number 4 and 5. In question number 4, what is written there? Give expressions for the following cases. Give expressions for the following cases. Previous classes we have already discussed what is expressions. Now the statement is given here. From this statement you have to write the expression 7 added to p. Here p is the variable. With this variable what you have to add 7. So what will be the expression? P plus 7. We are writing a variable first, then the numerical value. 7 added to p. So p plus 7 is the answer. Now 7 subtracted from p. 7 subtracted the same way. 7 subtracted from p. So p you have to write first only. 7 subtracted, that means p minus 7. Question number C. P multiplied by 7. That means 7 into p. That is 7p. P multiplied by 7. P multiplied by 7, that is 7p. P divided by 7. That means p divided by 7. P subtracted from minus m. P subtracted from minus m. No, sorry. 7 subtracted from minus m. 7 subtracted from minus m. That means you have to subtract 7 from minus m. Minus m I have to write first, then minus 7. So the expression is minus m minus 7. Minus p multiplied by 5. Minus p multiplied by 5. Minus p into 5. That means minus 5p. When you are multiplying, in these cases, the numerical value will come first. It looks nice only. The same value, p into 5 and minus 5 into p, the same value you will get. But this is the when you are multiplying, write the numerical value first. Then question number 5. Give expression in the following cases. Give expression in the following cases. Same only. 11 added to 2m. 11 added to 2m. That means with this variable 2 was already multiplied. That means 2m was there. With this 2m you have to add 11. 11 added to 2m. So 2m plus 11. 11 subtracted from 2m, the same way only. 2m minus 11. 11 subtracted from 2m. 5 times y. It times means, this times means into. 5 times y, that means 5 into y. 5 times y, to which 3 is added. So 5 times y, this is 5 times y, to which 3 is added. 5 times y, to which 3 is added. Question number E. Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8. So y is multiplied by minus 8. This is the multiplication form, and afterwards the result will be minus 8y. Understood? Now question number F. Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. First of all, y is multiplied with minus 8. That means minus 8y. Y is multiplied with minus 8 and then with this result 5 is to be added. Understood? Last question for today. Y is multiplied by minus 5. Y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. So y is multiplied by minus 5 means 5 into minus 5 into y. Minus 5 and y, the product of minus 5 and y is minus 5y, and the result is added. This is the result which will be added to 16. So y is multiplied by minus 5, y is multiplied by minus 5, and the result, this is the result, and the result is added to 16. Added 16. Understood? This is the expression for today, which you have to understand and solve. And I will give one homework also on this topic. Worksheet you will get in your assignment section. Try to solve it. Thank you, students.